All right, guys, well, good morning and welcome to Las Vegas. We made it in yesterday, pouring down rain, snow for some of the trek, but we got here this morning and it is absolutely beautiful, sunny skies. The smell of 110 octane is in the air, and I'm ready to tear up the Satty here on the Autocross course. So just did a quick walk around the course. It is massive, seriously twice the size of last year. I cannot wait. Should really be able to open this thing up and send it around the corners and have so much fun. So without further ado, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead, get the car unloaded here, let it warm up a little bit, go through things, and this video is going to be very, very heavy on the race footage. But something really cool that I did pick up, I grabbed a 360 camera that I'm going to attach here to the back of the trunk so I can take all you guys along with me on the ride. So let's get to it. All right, you guys, well, as you just saw there, don't let your friends borrow your 360 camera. No, I'm just kidding. I actually offered to throw it on the back of Cameron's car there, and thank God the $10 lens cover saved that thing, because it went flying off the car. We had no idea. I tried to sync up my phone to it back in the pits. It wouldn't sync up, and somebody came running up and they're like, did you have a camera on the back of the car? We looked back, it was missing, and both of us just stared at each other like, oh no, did somebody run it over or did it get broke? But no, thankfully it did survive. The new lens covers came in this morning and was able to get those right back on the camera. So we'll do a bunch more filming with that. But man, I hope you guys had as much fun watching that footage as it was to make. I cannot tell you how proud, happy, and just overall the excitement. You can probably hear it in my voice or in my screams throughout that entire video. But you know, this thing performed absolutely awesome. It's a lot of fun. There's still a lot of tweaking to do. You know, that's really only the second time or third time it's been on an autocross track ever, and we've got some suspension tuning that we definitely need to do. It was hopping kind of a bit, but you know, over the course of the weekend got a whole lot more confident driving it, and as you guys saw, we really sent it into the corners those last day or two. And man, just again, I'm not there to win trophies. I'm not there to win first place, because believe me, I got my ass waxed out there by the classic muscle category. Holy cow. But I think I probably had the most fun out of anybody. We'll just say that. And again, the car did not come back on our shield. Still runs, still drives just fine. And yeah, I think we're gonna go pick up the kids, take them out for ice cream in the thing as well. So you down with that? Yeah. All right, so what's next? Now, there's a whole lot of things that are going to be happening on the channel here over the next couple weeks. Number one, I hope, and I'm sure a lot of you guys hope too, the Charger comes back from paint, because as soon as it comes back, we're going to get on that thing. And I really hope, man, by the end of summer, I would love to be driving that car. And the plan right now is actually to take the engine out of the Ratty Satty, and unfortunately the tunnel ram's not coming with it. It's going to be back to a single 4, but it may actually be faster than what it is with the tunnel ram. I think I'm losing some power. I think it's quite honestly too much airflow for that engine, and you know, but nonetheless, we've got a great motor that we're going to be stuffing in that car. And so you may be wondering what's going to be going in the Ratty Satty. Now, most of you guys, if you don't already, please go out and give Just Mopar Joe a follow. He did the full build series on this. This is a 640 horsepower, dyno tuned and tested 500 stroker. And this thing is ready to drop in the Ratty Satty. I've had this here at the house now for a few weeks, staring at it, and I hope to God my new headers from TTI are here in the next week or so, because my new hood's here. Yes, the tunnel ram hood is going. I'm sorry, guys. But can't wait to see this thing in the car. We've got a brand new transmission also being built for this thing. And yeah, we're gonna be making some really, really quick times with this, or at least I hope. If we're not, Mopar Joe told me to sell the car if it doesn't turn 10s in Tucson. So we'll just have to see how that all goes. But man, can't wait to get this thing dropped into the car. And we've also got our 1970 Dodge Super Bee, which as soon as I wrap this video up, I'm actually going to be doing the damage assessment on it to show you guys it needs everything. We're going to have to figure out quarter panels for this thing. I've got a pair of 69 quarters, which are going to be modified into 70 quarters. We've got a whole lot of metal work to do, but I tell you what, this car is a dream car for me, just like frankly all these cars are. I know I say each one of them is a dream car, but I tell you what, a 70B, man, it doesn't get much better than this. You can see the 69 quarters are on here now, but I have not honestly touched this thing since we got back with it from Nashville, and we went and picked it up from Kevin Shaw. And yeah, can't wait to see what all we got. I'm hoping there's a whole lot more parts than what I think there is, but no promises. So if you guys have 70B parts, definitely let me know. I might know somebody that's interested. But yeah, super happy, guys, super excited. Again, had such a good time at Matt's, and we'll definitely be back. So, but until next time, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and thank you to everyone that went for rides this weekend and stopped by and said hi. It's really cool meeting everybody, and yeah, can't wait to do it all again. So until next time, guys, take care. See you again real soon.